Okay class. Today, I will give you an essay assignment.
What is this assignment for?
In this assignment, you will be researching on the Canadian law, paying attention to those sections of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act and how they are being applied.
What more specifically are we researching for? And when is this assignment due?
You will have to research on what has been the media approach to some cases, determine whether or not the law is at odds with human rights. It is due in 4 weeks.
How long does the research have to be?
You have to write no less than 7 pages for this assignment. Include as many media reports as you can to illustrate your findings.
So it need to be at least 7 pages. Oh no. I will miss the Canucks games. But I need to get an A+ on this assignment or I will fail the term.
Yes, so remember, if you hand in your essay late, you will lose points on this assignment. So be prepared. Oh, there's the bell. You know what to do. You are dismissed.
We need to get as much information as we can, in order to arrive to logical conclusions in our essay.
I will try to find more information from the We Are Jose website. I know that it includes the actual audio from the admissibility hearing.
Yes, he has made his case public on the web and there have been lots of information on the media about it, including radio and TV interviews.
Immigration is applying Section 34.1 of the IRPA. It doesn't make sense they find him inadmissible simply because he was a member of the FMLN. Canada has diplomatic relations with El Salvador. If he is found inadmissible under a membership allegation, then the diplomatic representations should be found inadmissible also.
That is precisely where the law is at odds with human rights. The principles of natural justice have not been observed and the law has been applied capriciously.
I couldn't avoid looking at the concept of reasonable grounds to believe, which is a legal term they are using. Regulations explain to CBSA officers how they should understand it.
Yes, in the regulations they explain that if 2 reasonable persons are given the same facts and they arrive to the same conclusion, then there are reasonable grounds to believe.
Yeah. Let's take 2 reasonable persons, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and the CBSA officer, same facts about FML and different conclusions.
As I said, the principles of natural justice have not been observed, not for the family nor for the FMLN. Hey Mark. I'm back. I had to make a phone call to the professor to ask him how we could get some information on immigration cases.
What did he tell you?
He told me that if we Google Canada law cases you will find a website called Canadian Legal Information Institute. There you can access many cases that has been in the system.
Yes. I've been in that website. When I read some of the cases, I was surprised on how immigration deals with the lives of many people.
I think that the only logical conclusion that we can arrive concerning Jose's case is that immigration has been basing their opinions on biased information.
We have to consider that the precedents that had been established are based on information provided by the arena government that was ruling during the Civil War in the USA.
I found some information from a research from Professor Sherry Aiken with some interesting views on immigration and national security. That will be very important to consider.
Andrew, I believe that this is the right thing to guarantee that the rights of the Canadian-born children and the family are upheld.